In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira issue directly from a Confluence page. This process is particularly useful for teams who heavily use Atlassian products to streamline their workflow and communication. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to seamlessly link your Jira projects with Confluence, optimizing your collaborative efforts and enhancing productivity. Let's start by navigating to the Your Work section in Jira. This is your main dashboard where you see all your ongoing projects, tasks, and notifications. It's essentially the control center for all your Jira activities. To get there, simply open your web browser and go to your Jira account URL. Once you've landed on the page, you'll notice several options on your sidebar that allow you to manage and create different tasks and projects. Now with your Work tab open, it's time to make your way to Confluence. Look to the top left corner of your screen and you'll find the grid icon. The grid icon consists of 9 small squares and often represents a menu or further options in various applications. Clicking on this icon will open a series of different toolsets and applications that are integrated with Jira, including Confluence. Select Confluence from this grid menu. This will redirect you into the realm of Confluence, Atlassian's collaboration tool where your teams can create, share, and collaborate on content. It's essentially a digital workspace for your team where they can manage documentation, projects, and track progress. Once you're on the Confluence page, you should see a Create button. Clicking this allows you to create a variety of new content. In our case today, we're focusing on crafting a new page, so go ahead and click on Create. After you've clicked Create, you'll be asked to select a type. Here, choose Page, as this is the most basic and widely created document type in Confluence. It's where all your project's documentation begins. By giving structure to the chaos of notes, figures, and strategies, a Confluence page allows everyone on your team to stay on the same page, literally and metaphorically. Moving on, after choosing to create a new page, you'll notice a blank space for the title. You can type in whatever title fits the new page you plan to create. The title serves as the headline or the key point of your documentation, so make it concise yet descriptive. Once you've decided on a title, you can either start filling in the content or choose from some existing templates to give you a head start. For example, Confluence offers templates such as one-on-one meeting or 4Ls retrospective, which can come in handy if you are working on meetings or project retrospectives. Each template is designed to structure your information to fit a specific purpose, so feel free to explore them if they meet your needs. If the default templates don't fit your purpose, you can explore all templates for more options. Confluence has a wide variety of templates available, each tailored for different situations and needs, which can significantly save time on formatting and organizing your content. After crafting your page, or perhaps using a template, the next step is to copy the page's link. This is a critical step if you want to reference this page directly in Jira. You can link this page within your Jira issue to provide context or additional information that isn't suitable to fit directly into the issue details. This hyperlink can guide your team members to the supporting Confluence page, allowing them to access and review the necessary context or documentation that complements the task. Once all this is set up and your page is correctly linked or referenced within your Jira task, the last but crucial step is to publish your newly created Confluence page. Locate the Publish button. This button acts as the gateway between an edit mode draft and the final article that all your team members can see and benefit from. Remember, until you publish the page, it remains inaccessible to teammates, limiting the collaborative potential that Confluence offers. By following these steps, you can easily create Jira issues directly from a Confluence page, ensuring that all your necessary information is linked and readily available across the teams. These steps not only streamline communication between team members, but also ensure that information is readily accessible and properly organized for optimal workflow efficiency. Confluence and Jira, when used together, create a powerful ecosystem for project management and collaboration, making it easier to achieve goals and milestones. Thank you for joining me today as we ventured through the process of creating a Jira issue from a Confluence page. Apply these steps to enhance your team's productivity, and stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your digital workspace. Feel free to leave comments with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.